May tumataas na halaga ng bahay. May tumataas na halaga ng buhay. We talk a lot about property appreciation and how much a house gains in value over time. Well, that's important, but there's a second kind of return that most people forget to count. And it doesn't grow on paper, but you feel it every single day. First, less time in traffic means more hours in your day, every day, for years. Second, more space means less tension at home, and that changes how your family relates to each other. And third, a calmer routine isn't a luxury add-on. It's a compounding return on your quality of life. That's lifestyle appreciation. And for a lot of families, it matters just as much as the numbers. Hindi lang dapat tinitingnan kung gaano tumataas ang halaga ng bahay. Tinitingnan mo rin kung gaano gumagaan ang buhay mo dito. This is Kabayan Ray will help you see the full picture, not just the price tag. Share mo to sa pamilya mo para makita rin nila ang dalawang klase ng value.